Hey, this is Chris with OneClickCashBot.com, and I wanted to make this video because I know a lot of you have been commenting on my website. What is this software? What does it exactly do? And is it for me? And through this video, I'm hoping I can answer all those questions for you. This is the main interface of the software, and what it is basically it creates videos for you based upon images that you add to it. Now, I've already created a video, and I'm going to load what I've already created here. And here you can see 7 images that I added simply by clicking on Add Image, and I selected these 7 images. This was just for a test to see how well the software worked. And then over here I was able to select information such as the video size, the width, and how often I want these images to change in the video. And I was able to choose what image I wanted to display for the video when people's looking for it on YouTube or the other video sites. And you can also choose to randomize the images. So if you want to go down here and create more than one video, every time it creates a new video, it's going to rotate these images. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and leave this clicked, and we're just going to make, we'll say, 10 videos out of these 7 images. And I did download some free background music that I added. I'm also going to add a watermark, and I put it at the bottom center. And I chose that I want to output the folder, one of my desktop folders. And I'm going to click Start. And this is really neat because it creates these videos very fast. Okay, and 10 different videos have been created now. And now, before I go any further, I want to go up here and show you also in the tools, if you go under Account Video Submissions, here it allows you to set up your login information for these video sites. Now, the difference between OneClickCashBot and OneClickCashBot Extreme is the version I'm using now is the Extreme, and it gives you these video choices to upload your videos to that you create, whereas the original OneClickCashBot only has YouTube. So when you go through the purchasing process, I do recommend, if you want to get more exposure and more traffic, to definitely upgrade to the Extreme version, so you will be able to also submit to these well-known sites also. And under the settings, if they use a CAPTCHA, you can use deCAPTCHA if you have an account with them, and it'll automatically break those CAPTCHAs as they populate instead of you having to manually type them in yourselves. Okay, but I just wanted to show you that before we moved on. So we created our 10 videos. The next step would be to go to video submission. I've already filled out this, like I said, with the previous video that I submitted. I only submitted mine to YouTube though, and I was able to give it a title, put tags, choose my category, put a delay. So if you have more than one video you want to upload, you can choose if you want a delay in between each video just to make it look like it's not spammy. And then I put my description down here along with the link back to my website, which will obviously result in a lot of additional traffic and sales. Video stats, if we click on this, it's going to show the link to my video. It says views 0. And it was uploaded on 5/29 at 6:25 p.m. Now, if we go to Start, this is going to automatically log into that video or log into my YouTube account. It's going to check this video and see how many views. And we see now that there's 8 views, so it's been viewed a few times since I uploaded already, which hasn't been that long ago, so that's pretty cool. And I'm sure you're wanting to know what the video looks like now that it's been created. So let me go ahead and pause this just for a second, and I'll pull it up. Okay, I went to YouTube and I done a search for OneClickCashBot. Remember, I just uploaded this just a few minutes ago. And let's see, there it is right there. And it's got the really cool picture of the software, which should grab a lot of attention. So if we click on it. Now, I'm not going to play this video all the way through right now. If you want to, you're more than welcome. You're more than welcome to go to YouTube and do a search for OneClickCashBot and find this video where you can watch it. I'll let it play for just a couple seconds so give you an idea. And so there you can see how the image, it rotates the images to make the video, which is really cool. And then if you go on down, you'll see the description I put in here that has a link back to my site. Not only is this good in getting me extra traffic, but this is also a backlink pointing back to my site, which also should help a little bit possibly in the search rankings. And here's the tags also that was added. Okay, but that's about all there is to One-Click Cachebot. It's a really simple and easy to use tool. And there's also One-Click Cachebot Sniper, which is another upsell, and I'm going to talk about that as well. But if you do choose to get One-Click Cachebot, be sure you do go to my website, oneclickcachebot.com, and that's the number 1 spelled out, as in O-N-E. And I am offering a very nice bonus package for anyone who does buy the product through my link. So if you want to check that out, go there, and you can probably find a little bit more information about this as well. Now also, down here where we did create 10 videos, if I wanted to, I could have submitted all 10 of those videos at once, but I just chose to just upload one of them. And if I go to my folder where it saved them, you can see in here where it did create the 10 videos. I just labeled them video 1 all the way down through video 10. And just save them as a one file, which is very cool, so you don't have to deal with all the other files that comes along with it. Okay, but for One-Click Cachebot Extreme, like I said, I do recommend that over the original One-Click Cachebot. So if you do decide to grab this, be sure that you do grab the Extreme version so you have these additional video sites to submit to, which will give you a lot more traffic and a lot more additional backlinks for each video that you submit also. Okay, now real quickly, I want to show you the One-Click Cachebot Sniper. For some of you, it may be for some of you, it may not be for. But with One-Click Cachebot Sniper, it's a really unique tool. It works a lot different than the other one. Really what it does is it allows you to view YouTube videos based on a particular keyword, or if you know the URL of them, you can just list that as well. And what it'll do, it'll go and download a list of videos. Let's go to downloads. If I click on download, I can type in a keyword. Let's just use internet marketing, for example. And let's say I want it to return, we'll do 10 results. And we'll search by relevance and click search. And over here, you know, it has the link list where I could select this, and if I knew the links of the videos that I wanted to download, I could just put them in here. But instead, I just done a search, and it's going to bring up the first 10 related to internet marketing. And this is really neat because it shows you, you can click on here to view them, the title, description, keywords, the views. You can sort them by views so you can see which ones are really getting hammered with visitors. And what One-Click Cachebot Sniper allows you to do is to download these videos, and you can download how many ever you want to. And it's real easy because you can go in there and change the description. You can change the title, you can change the keywords if you want, and most importantly is you can put your own URL in the description, and you can upload these videos back to your account. So you see this video here has 267,000 views. Now that's, you know, that's pretty good. It's not like a lot of videos on there that has millions, but that's not too bad. So you know this video is getting watched a lot. Of course, a lot of it depends on how long it's been online, but you could take that video, you could download it, change the information description, change the link, upload it to your account, and hopefully you're going to be able to see a lot of results from that also. So this is just another upsell offered when you buy a One-Click Cachebot if you're interested. It is pretty neat. It's if you're into YouTube videos, it's definitely something probably that you'd want to check out. But if not, like I said, it may not be for you either. So. But that's my review on One-Click Cachebot. Remember, I am offering an amazing bonus. There's 8 different products, which are hours upon hours of training videos for internet marketing related topics. Just visit my site at oneclickcachebot.com, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and have a wonderful day.